Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Florabest Petrol head trimmer attachment to show you here, and I've got to change the reel on it because it's unraveled. It's supposed to be this yellow wire poking out both sides, but it's just poking out the one side, as you can see there. Just spin it around, show you. Now there's a tab here on each side. You press it in to release the spool. And like I said, there's supposed to be a wire sticking at the other side. So if I just press both tabs in here, one opposite each side, and pull the base off, you can see there, and the spool comes with it. And if you have a look inside here, you can see it's not quite sitting correctly. I'll show you here. See, it's practically fallen out now, but it just required replacing anyway. So I've got some spare trimming wire here, plastic, nylon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold out about 4 foot's worth in length, you can see there, and then just fold it in half. Look, you see there. Okay, so what I'm going to do to show you here, it's 4 foot, so fold it in half, and it's just a 2 foot in length each side. So if I just wrap this around the spool, there's a little notch here on the spool, and if you have a look on the spool, there's a arrow which shows you which way the spool turns. So if I'll have to speed this section up because it took a while, but all I'm doing here is winding the nylon trimming wire around the spool. Fast forward this section. And there you can see, it just clips into these little tabs here to help installation. So if I just tuck into these little tabs, little notches, because then all I've got to do now is pop this reel inside of the housing, the cords, and just line them up with the holes. And then all I've got to do now is just pop the cord inside the holes for the strimmer head here, as you can see there. And just pop that one inside its slot also. Let's get a little closer with that. Okay, so that's ready to be installed. Let me just show you first. There's a couple of slots, one here and one at the other side. These are for where the cord comes out, here and here. These go into the slots. So it's just a matter of holding the base and pushing the release tabs, which I used first. Just pushing the tabs in on the side. These tabs here, just pushing them both in. I should highlight that for you. So I just press them in and push the base in. It should all fit together. You probably heard it click together there. And I'll just make sure it's secure by pulling it. And that's fully fitted now. Okay, so what it is, if you press this button here, it releases the cord, the strimming cord. You can do this by tapping it on the ground, on the grass, on the concrete as it's spinning, and it slowly unravels the cable. I'll show you there. You press it in and pull the cable, it comes out. But it'll do this automatically when you tap it on the ground once it's in motion. Okay, so this cable's a bit too long. Here there's a blade which cuts the cable, Let me just highlight that for you. There's a little blade on here, it's a bit blunt. So what I'm going to do is cut the wire manually with a pair of pliers. Cut the nylon wire, strimming wire, size. Just cut the other side. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. It's not going to clash against the blade, and if it does, should cut it off. Like I said, the blade's a little bit blunt. They usually do get blunt on these. And just show you what it looks like now. I've got a video where I've got another type of strimmer spool on. I'll leave a link in the description, but let me just show you how it works. So let's get a little close up. Try not to hit the camera, and then I'll just give you a little demonstration here. And it seems to be cutting okay. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.